Oh, sorry for the delay. Sorry for delay. Oh my god. Hello, this is Jared Captain speaking. JV the Wanderer. Getting ready to set to our destination on GameDev. All right, and 3, 2, 1. Hi, how you guys doing? So, I don't think I need reminder or anything like that, but I have an old project I use as a reference to get to use to remind myself what I had in the project, what to do. It's just like today, right now, that my project is my old project right now is like crashing, and I couldn't be able to open that one up normally. Usually it's because of the structure. Something happened with the structure, within the blueprint, and when you try to open, break. When you try to open and opening the blueprint, it breaks. When you try to open the project itself, it breaks. Well, but for that case, it's like, all right, that's fine. Just try. I'll just try to do this normally, with just this. But it's like, either way, I got my UI, pretty much almost all my UI done. Matter of fact, I actually off stream, I actually did something off stream. Off stream, I was actually able to finish it off. Like, I have like what I did off stream. I'm pretty sure actually added my preparation UI. What this is just basically when you click on mission, when the mission starts, you go you load the level. This will pop up, giving you the idea of the mission, what they had to do, what are the win conditions, what are the loot conditions, and what allows you to do some unit placement, allows you to have control with the with yourself and be able to move around. That's kind of basically it. And what I am basically trying to do right now is getting all hooked up and getting all set up so we can I can actually move the debug menu out of the way. Not that I say out of the way, but move out of the way to what actually needs to be placed in there, which is this thing. And once that's done, I want to go ahead and get the go and work on the finish on the combat. That includes like sorry, my mental strains is somehow on the roof right now. That includes like status, abilities, being able to take damage, that sort of stuff. I want to make sure I want to go ahead and make sure I get all that taken care of. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done right now. Getting the UI bit. The first thing I need to make sure is test out these things. I want to go ahead and start with not the hub level, but the start level. That's the test map. When you start the game, it's gonna look like this. Can't click on this. Right now, start mission is not working, so let's get that hooked up. And there's nothing in the mission name, so there's only like a mission name. It's not like a long list of missions. Actually, now think about it, I think that's gonna be my big start. Make sure everything's all taken care of. Awesome. And hub, awesome. Okay. So right now, the hub world is going to be the most important thing to do. Give me hub world menu. Let's see. Few missions actually, that's the button. We need this. And I just want to go over here. I think I have a button for it. And what I want to do is go ahead and start up on loading up the level, but we don't technically have a way to get that specific mission to load up because we don't have a way to grab that map and just go with it. Usually I get all of that information in my game instance. So I'm gonna start there. So go in here, go to my DP pack UI, that sort of stuff. This is where I save all my saves in. Okay. A couple things I need for. Actually, a couple things I actually need for a mission, and that's gonna be the name, the level, the name, the description, the requirement, and all our steps that mission's going to have, and that is actually all gonna be loaded up in my coding. So I'm going to close this project down because I now need to actually going through all this and going through all the steps. I actually need to go into my code to actually go ahead and implement all that stuff. Because that's missing. And the way I'm going to do that, and the way we're going to check and do that and all that kind of stuff. Let's just go through. Here we go. Mission data. And this is going to give us a name, give us a unit. It has all the information that we want. All right, awesome. Meaning, if this mission data is actually set up as a data asset. It's static, and that's pretty much great because I'm actually able to create one and be able to grab a level, grab the information, all that kind of stuff, and put all my information about this mission and what needs to happen. Matter of fact, I could probably make a copy of that same mission, change it up a bit, and give us some new behavior structure for win condition and lose conditions, and be able to make a new game out of that. Matter of fact, if I'm looking right now, array available player units. Yep. Mission playable units. Vision image. I want to do myself a really big favor and actually go into my utilities, and I'll fix it with my utility. Might be my type. check. Mission name. Yeah. Mission image. Okay, so here's the level name. Here's the combat data. Wow, a lot of stuff. I'm actually go ahead and get rid of all this because this is actually I actually have all the information in my data structure already, so I don't really need it. Actually, make view property. Oh, I should have delete all of it right then and there, but eh. We're gonna make this a rewrite. Anywhere. And what I need from this is a key array of conditions. Actually, let's scrap this. We're gonna scrap this. And wait, where is the combat? Where would the combat data be at? Is it actually being used anywhere in here? No? Okay, then I'll just take all this information and I'll put this in my utility and move it in my utility. I'll make this array as an F name for right now. Actually, yeah, F name. And I'll type in when conditions, and I'll make a duplicate of this. Name this lose condition. If one of the lose conditions were met, the game lost. If all the winning conditions are met, is the game win. I moved it. I said as an F name because I'm not actually sure if I want to make this a enumerator or another structure, because how the nature is. Maybe it's actually gonna be both. Because what I actually want to do is I want to be able to hold all that information in there and work with it. I want to be able to hold all the information into those arrays and have it check. Like, if, like, let's give it a simple condition. If all the player units die, or the lose condition. If all the player units die, that's a lose condition. That means the game's over. I want to be able to check, for it to be able to check on that, and make sure if all of them lose, it gets checked, and there's gonna be a lose condition. But let's just say for another lose condition, let's say one specific unit that is in the player side dies. We want to be able to check for that, each time for each time a unit has been lost. Not every time, but only one time where that condition is being met somewhere. Maybe in a manager somewhere. I'm not thinking about. I have not made a manager, a level manager at all. I did make a manager type. No, I did make a manager type. It's like a combat manager, and I could probably use the combat manager as the manager for win and lose. So I guess that will work. Let's see. What are ways I can do as well? Abilities, functions. We have on start combat, on end turn, on damage given, on enemy unit killed nearby, on ally killed by, on unit death. We could probably have it borrow the abilities function that's in the tech types, and actually check on that. You know, I think I'll go ahead and try that out. Let's make sure that the classes are actually there. Let me go ahead and add include for protect type. Okay. That's probably one of them. It's actually like what else? What else? What else? Yeah, I think it's gonna be a youth truck. We'll call this a condition, and start from there. Okay. If that's going to be a condition, what conditions do we need? It's going to need to have a. It's not going to be F name. It's not going to be F string. It needs to be F text. I'll call it mission condition, and I'll make this a blueprint read write. I'm gonna make another one, and I'm gonna make it use a ability function. I'll call it condition call. Although I'm thinking that what's probably gonna happen, like whenever, like, we're gonna check if the unit moves, and we're gonna check if time has passed or something like something along that line. Oh, matter of fact, give me a second. I want to add something in my here. Initiative. You also want to add in on new turn. Basically, what new turn is going to do is this. It's going to check every unit's going to have a turn. When all the turns have been met and been done, this could be a new turn. I want to add that in there as an ability instead of like its own thing, because I want that also to be able to be used in probably not only in the mission but also probably in their the unit's ability. I don't know when units go wait 5 turns until their ability is gonna be called. But I know one thing: the mission will be able to do that. All right. We do need to check if we do need to figure out how to go check if a unit in the world has died. Maybe not in here, because that's probably done. There's already a way to be able to get that check anyways. So like on unit died. Let's probably go check which unit have died and if that's the unit that they're looking for. But just to be sure and just make sure, because I'm that guy. I don't think it need to be an actor itself, because this actor just needs to be exist in the world. This won't help if the unit in the world has disappeared. So maybe we could have it check for not this unit, but maybe not a actor, but maybe something within the unit tech unit data. Using a static to check for it. That might work. U tech unit data, or we can actually make this. We don't have to make it unit tech data. We can make it like data asset. Yeah, I think this will work. All right. I think I'm satisfied here. And looking at this, I don't think I need a level name here. I don't think I need the combat data to be like this. Heck, I don't think it needs to be called combat data at all. Maybe it needs to be called mission data or mission condition data. All right, if that's taken care of, I'm gonna go back in here. Let me actually add in that info. Make sure that has an include, save, and let's go ahead and build. Oh, by the way, I should probably let y'all know. Well, y'all probably have known already that Vesper Noir and Magna Desmond has graduated, and I know that kind of sucks. I like those two. I really like those two, especially Vesper. Very charbox and very easy to listen to. And Magnetism, very creative, very creative. Kind of shocked both of them have to leave, have to go in their separate ways with the company, but it is what it is, and that's fine. I did mention on Twitter that this it kind of feels like it has an effect. You know, I looked at it, like it doesn't quite have the effect. I'm still making Tempest Tactics. I'm still gonna make the get the game finished and sent and released. It's just that if I ever have plans to have this made or have this done with the group with Tempus, if anything, I will love to have voices. But it's not like but it's not like I'm going to be able to say, hey, I'm gonna give your voice in the. I want to try to do something special here with it, like maybe get in contact with them and try to oh, were you open the whole time? You're open the whole time. Okay, cool. Let me close this down and reopen it. Let me close it down and actually just build it again. Reason why I'm doing that because I want to make sure that the build is actually the build is actually running properly. And it's not holding all the. It's not getting any hot reloads that will somehow affect it. And okay, be fair about you. This is kind of weird. Like this I have never seen before, where it is not registering the where it's not registering with this. Yeah, it's so weird. Especially the PC. I think once I have everything done, I'm gonna go back in the PC and try to get this fixed. The way I probably end up getting this fixed is go back to player action and actually try again to get this all implemented in C++, not in Blueprint. But anyways, even though those two are gone, I'm pretty much going to continue making this game because I made a promise. I want to make sure I get that promise fulfilled and release. You know, I have some very well some woes and bows and all that kind of stuff. There we go. I have to go back and project do this again. This is like so this is like so weird. Maybe I don't have to worry about this much. I have to end up creating a level anyways. And this all this is a test level for me to fool around work with. Speaking of members, I need to actually reach out to my artists and see the condition of a mall and see how he's able to do how they're doing it. Hold on a second. I have a headset that charges with different types of batteries. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Okay. All right, there we go. There you are. I mean, you are able to hear me. It's just like sometimes I hear myself as well, so that kind of helps. One quick second. Okay, meanwhile. think I got everything I need here, so I need to make sure to go what I'm gonna do is go here, go in here, and create a new folder called missions. I'll be very honest. I'm putting all the missions and everything else in this into this one plugin, and all it is just basically a test for me how everything should be how all the assets gonna be placed and how it's gonna work. Let me go in here, get assets, and go to mission. Mission test mission. I wonder if that's how I'm gonna name these things now. Mission, test mission. Winning conditions. This one's gonna be very simple. Okay, now looking at this, defeat all enemy units, and let's go check on units death. That makes no sense. Looking at it and thinking about it, that probably makes no sense. I probably got to end up looking back at this later on. But this is all temporary for me. Minimum units to be 4, max units be 8. Again, mission name. All right. Let's see. Available player unit. Use mission playable units. This is going. Mission playable units means like units that need that are required to be in there. Okay. Mission image. I have an image already I could use right now. I think I want to leave these here for right now. I need to go ahead and get the path for the unit for the mission. The way I do this is basically just copy references and paste here. All I need is the name, the mission, test mission, and you make sure that it's just this. This is how it's supposed to look like. Game Holo Pro Project 4. Why is there two cores? Oh my god. Core map, test map. Ugh. I hate when I name things whim without even thinking. I could probably do better by moving these things out of the way, or moving these into this one, because that's actually where everything was supposed to be. Until I realized until I realized when I move everything in, that includes the Holopro project folder. Everything should be in Tempus games because I'm an idiot. I was a say I'm a big old dum dum. Anyways, like let's get going. Let's get going here. All right, we have this. Awesome. Far later in the future, I need to actually have a way to have it grab all the list of missions that are in there. I also need to make sure that certain missions that will be certain mission will be available and showable. Then mission and when these things are met, these conditions are met, a new mission would pop up. This one just kind of just there to exist to hold all this information. Back to hub world, go back into context, go back into this hub menu, and I'm gonna sit there and concentrate on how this is gonna be played at. By the way, this is Saturday. I know that for sure. Usually I had this plan every Saturday that usually streams not on YouTube but on Twitch. I haven't done that though. Probably because I need I used to have it set up for Twitch, but since I have it set up for YouTube, I haven't done anything special with it. Yeah, I really need to get that fixed sometimes in the future, but that's neither here or there right now. What I need to do, I need for it to load missions. Oh, we'll do it. I'll do it the way I usually do. Is actually go in here. Go and see call utilities and say, well, not utilities. I think it was like combat. Nope. Debug UI functions. Yeah, that's the one. I call get mission data list. And I need to just return a return node that has all the missions. Back mission data. Here we go. Make an array. Create a local variable, call this mission data, and we just load the mission data in here. This here is not really practical. What I really want to do is actually do the way where I have the asset manager get all the necessary data from mission to units to items, all that necessary data into one spot and have it load that way. But I'm doing it this way because I'm an idiot and I have no clue on how I get all that set up within C++ at the moment. And I'm pretty much trying to get this done, get all this information done as fast as possible. So for me, so this is how I'm doing this. So okay. This needs to be a pure because pure. This needs to be updated. Missionless box, yeah. It needs to get mission data list. I'll do a for loop for each loop. Want to get the mission's name, description, and its image. And the mission image, I think the mission image is, are you lazy? I don't think this one's a lazy image. Especially images that can show, unload images, and take care of loading for you. There we go. This is okay because I didn't have anything in there special anyway, so we should be good. We want to load. Wait. That's not exactly how we want to do this. Now I was thinking about it, but it's not. But I think it'd be fine. Set brush lace texture, and we are going to leave it as it is. We don't have a mission name by it. Description. Wait, where's the description? Description is not a variable. Text. And for mission, we just need to create a button that when we click on it, it will load the mission description stuff. Create widget. I think I'll use, what button are we using? This is the combat. And do we have access to change? We do not. Let's make this expose on spawn. And that's gonna go affect all of them, but that should be fine. Need to go ahead and close. I don't need these super function libraries anymore. Let me actually close them down. And I'll have it. I'll have it set this way. We'll make each button selectable. Yeah. Find the event on button base clicked. We're going to make Ooh. These buttons won't have the information for them. Let me actually create a new one. This is gonna be straight up simple. Mission data. We may take expose and expose on spawn. It's literally the same thing, but it's just it has a bit more information. Goodbye, button text. We don't need you. Hello, mission data. And we want to. Okay. Go do a custom, and is it going to get the right button base? It's going to get a different. It's going to get this, the common button. If I want to, I can just do this. Cast, matter of fact, cast to hub mission button base. It'll get this. It'll do this, and we should be able to get the need information from the needed mission data information from it, and be able to load like normal. I only need one of them. We'll make this if this equals 0. No. If this equals 0, I mean, is this the very first item in the array? Yes? Put that in there. Put that bad boy in there. Put that bad boy in there. Oh my god. Also, with the mission button, there's going to be check is valid. Mission's name, and we're going to put that in here. If not, set to its default text button. Should be, and we should be fine. And we should be good. Okay, I have pretty much everything I need in here. Do I? Do I not? I do not. There we go. Gone. Okay. Oh. Let's also make this a selectable mission button. B and T and button are going to be spelled differently. Test to differentiate each other which one is clickable and which one is just a variable. Speaking of variables and all that kind of stuff, I want to make this separate to something like I'll call this like data. Not really a name, not really a description name. I'll name it, but it's like I need to get some refreshing information about them. And we're also gonna make this the one that whenever we're ready, it's going to we're going to have it be able to click. We're going to have it able to check if the mission button is available, so it can give us our mission data and path. Because every level is going to need a path to get to the mission. All right, we save. That should be about it for this one. All right, So let me go back into my test map. No, wrong. Tile menu map. Looking at this, I'm probably gonna need to move this move the tile menu map into here. You know what? No, yeah. I'm gonna do that right now. Move here. Hub world. Tile map. Save. Okay. We should be good now. Start game. Do missions. Here's our mission. But our buttons are missing. Hello. What the flip? I was promised buttons. Okay. We cleared the children. Yes. Oh! We haven't added the children back. We haven't added children back yet. That's why. Add child to Freckle box. And we're just gonna add them in there. Start mission. There we go. Although the name of the button is probably gonna be too big. I might actually set our mission above this. Matter of fact, I can do that right now. Let's do that right now. Let's do it right now since we're here. We'll make this large to make sure that name's there. And I think I don't know what probably would name it. I probably will have a button. I'll probably have a variable that'll name that button something completely different. Let me go in the graph and then we go into the mission name. We're going to actually add that into the set text. Or this one on top and this one on bottom. Matter of fact, if I look at this right now, I could probably do this as a make this a function. A lot of wires being tangled up. Let me actually do some rerouting stuff so we don't have nothing but wiring issues and unreadable spaghetti code. I mean, he's readable right now, but it can be more readable without all this wire, without all these wires. Go. There we go. And for you, I want you above here. I should probably put them below instead of above, because I think it's a lot more better that way. Like, I notice all the wires are actually going down here, so it should be going down as well. Let me go do that right now. Let me get a create event in here. Cool. Let me move this down. That should be it. Let me go ahead and move all these wiring down here now. And this should now be a lot less cluttery and a lot more readable. All right, cool. This should be it now. Now we should play it. Load game. View mission. Here's the debug mission. Here's the debug test mission. Both name. Click on this. I'm back here. Awesome. I should get rid of fix that debug. Oh, get rid of the lines because that's not needed. But these are actually being loaded. That's awesome. Oh wait. So all that necessary part, all those stuff that's very necessary is now done. We don't have to worry about that too much. We need there's actually another thing I need to take care of. Like, here's the thing. We have this mission data, but if when we open the level, all the information in that level is going to get destroyed, and it's going to open up a new level, a fresh, clean new level with no data from the other level coming in. I need to change that. So real quick, I need to go into my game instance that is under game and call it TechGI, and I need it to save that data into here, and that's actually straight up simple. I'm also need to create a I also need to create a function for it. A library function. That stuff is going to help me out a lot better. I'll call this save mission data. I'll go get its game instance. Grab this. Save mission data to the next level. And I'm gonna name this. Oh, what the fuck? And I'm gonna save this as what's a good name for this? Game no. Get save mission data. And I think that is this gonna be no, this is gonna be a class. This is gonna be it. Let's go load this in here. Now, why I saved it into why I'm grabbing it from here to the game instance. For those who are new, game instance actually is the only persistent code that will exist in the project. When the game opens, the game instance will open as well. And the only way to get all this information removed if you close the game. And that's actually great. Or that's great for reasons like if you have data in the levels about to close and you want the data to be saved somewhere, this would be a good place to play at. There we go. Save. And now we're going to grab the save mission data. To the next level, we just need the mission data itself. Save and actually I need to make one that's load mission data. I'll do another one here. go. Now here's the thing. Now here's a thought. Whenever we have a new whenever we have a new level, we want to be able to get this new information into my combat manager, and it'll be very annoying that we will have to, when we create a new level, that we will have to do the same thing over and over again for each new level that requires that that information to be loaded into there. So I think I have a way to make sure that it's all separate. Maybe I do, maybe I do not. But that's for me to go ahead and check that out right now. Like here's the thing. It begins play, does all this. Awesome. And like loads the new game menu. Awesome. Combat manager does things a little differently, I think. I think it does not. I think it loads information automatically already. Let me check. Move unit. Does it initiate grid? I think it probably does it in the. Maybe it's doing that in the game mode already. Spawn unit. No. Begin play. But oh, here it is. Initialize grid. It does that automatically. Okay. So it will have all this information already ready to go. Okay. And check if the grid existed. It will it'll call the combat manager initialize grid. But we don't quite technically have a way for it to initiate preparation. But we do have this, and this is a native event. So that's great. That's great to know. Requirement for current missions in the game is awesome. That's actually what I need. Initiate preparation. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. We're going to actually add this one in here, and we're going to override init preparation. Oh wait. Hey, are we using the yes we are. Init preparation. Okay. We're gonna make this a function and not a event, because I'm not that crazy. I don't have anything in the init preparation, so but we get a call from parent. Have that load in here. This is my scope right now. And we want to game. Create new game menu. We're going to use the preparation. I think that's what it's called. Preparation. We need to load information for mission. Actually, not thinking about it. Do you have anything that's going to do for missions? No, not missions. Player. All right. Is this already being used? Yes. In here, and it's gonna be changed. It could be changed. Placed in here. All right. We'll do something very temporary. Temp mission. Data. I'm calling this temp because I'm later on in the future I'm going to add a mission data into me combat manager component and go from there. Into me, sorry. Excuse me. Need to Can I think I need it. Go ahead. Actually, I could probably get. Maybe can I get away with it? I think I should. I'd be able to get away with it. We're gonna make this a pure instead of a unpure. And let me load this in. Let me put this in here. I wonder if I actually should be able to get. You know what? No. Even though I think I'm able to get away with it, let me actually just make this a non-pure and have it load, just so we can be safe. There we go. Now we need max unit. Second unit. Set player units. That's something I think that should be updated within the thing itself, and not within the preparation, and not in here. No, it needs to be updated in here anyway. So this is already good. We just need to. I think for right now. To get the max player units set up. Oh. enough units, not enough player units. If player unit number, unit set, num, is greater than or equal to player units. Okay. Player units is different from max units, and I think there's a thing called units, current units in here. No. Unit, let's make sure I'm right. Unit in field, player units, max units. Okay, I think I'm right. I should probably call it min units instead of like player units. The naming is kind of weird. Okay, I think that should work for all of it. We do have this, and I do need to be able to change the name for. I just need to be able to change the mission's names, add the win conditions, all that kind of stuff. And that's in a new. That's in a new thing. So I think what I'll do here, I'll make a custom event and I'll ask that current mission data and have it asked to give us a mission data for us to use. What this is going to do, I think, is going to set their names like this. Allied. That's annoying. Allies. Hold on a second. Okay, Google, how do you spell allies? There we go. I think that should be it for all of them. And just now we need to get the mission name. Conditions. Break those conditions into these. right, and what we're going to do. Oh wait. I think each time we're doing this, we're going to have to break this, and we will have to. How's this? How am I gonna make this? How am I gonna make this work? That's so interesting. How am I gonna make this work? How am I gonna make this work? How am I gonna make this work? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Create widget. Text. Common. Text. Create text. Okay, here's what I was thinking. Here's what I was thinking at the moment. These things were text. These were not actually something that I have to add in. So looking at it now, I may actually have to create a widget for that. I'll make this common user widget, and I'll call this dpw_prep. Condition list. No, condition item. And what they're going to have is like it's going to have a overlay and a text. That's basically it. It's not gonna be doing anything special, so we have to be overlay. Just gonna have a text style like this. And we're going to rename this common text to text item or item text. Call this label. We're going to change this label to set text we'll call this text label. We'll make this instance and expose on spawn. That's what it's gonna be. That's it. And we go back in here. We're going to create widget. Get the prep. Call it condition item. Mission condition. This is the win condition. So let me go ahead and get the win condition box and have add child. There might be there's probably be more of them, so I might need put up a list. Not a list, but like a scroll wheelable list. Ooh. Now for the next one, the Lose Edition. It'll be the same thing. This one's gonna be in the Lose Edition box. Yeah, I think we should be good here. It's now just trying to get. Now trying to get this in from here into here. We could do this. Path to preparation. And I think preparation will have a thing called load. Let's do it on construct. Set current mission data, and I think we'll need to get this mission data from actually hold up a second. Low mission data to here, and we can pretty much actually what we can do here is actually just check is this valid. If this is valid, we want to load in there. Load in our preparation mission info. Make this valid. Load in here. Because I realize I have this information already ready to go. Now, I think I need to Actually, I don't need to do that right here. I can do it right here. Is this actually be updated? I think it'll be updated. Yeah. I think it'll be updated. Because this is going to be called each time a unit has been added in or removed. So I don't need that. Be good. I think. No, I think we're good. I think we're good. There's another one I want to check out, and that's the. Oh, it's here, but no. Here, yeah, this one right here. Okay, I don't think I actually add this one in here at all. It's called the preparation display plate. And this actually, that's actually a good place for it to be stuck at. Wrong one. You. There we go. Real quick, folks. I need to go to rest. I need to go back into the cockpit and get go to the restaurant. I'll be right back. All right, back. Okay. I'm looking at this. I'm saying, I think I have everything set up right. I hope. Okay. Let's try out. Play this. Start game. Close all the mission. Close all this. Go to hub world. Start mission. Here's all the oh my god, it has all 4 units already. Get placement. Oh, what the fuck? Where are you? Oh right. Units to play 4 and 8. Okay. Okay. I know where we're at now. View map, and we go into here, do overlay. We need to name this prep unit and make this vertical. This needs to be hidden. Not collapsed, but hidden. And like for right now, I think I don't have a way to have it up here like right now, but I am going to have to get that taken care of soon. Wait, there we go. Let's see, we do have a callback. We do. It does get popped in, popped out. We need to. I think I have a way to pop clear widget. No, it's like remove a widget. There's clear widget. UI. Oh. Let's make another one. We'll call this one view map. We'll check if the view map UI to be valid. If it's valid, go ahead and do it. If not, don't. But I don't want it to try to move a widget that does not exist. To be straight honest, I'm creating more functions that I think I will need just to get all working. I think later in the future I might want to come back and just maybe reorganize all this and make stuff a bit more thorough. But right now, I think this works. We'll need you. No, we'll need you anymore. I didn't take a look at this. Combat. I think. One second. We need to check you again. Our max player units. The require number of player units. Wait. Number of player units, I think. Number. I say it's 4 because there is four playable units in the map. Oh, awesome. Where is race? Maybe to delete one just to test to make sure we work. That's exactly what it's talking about. Yeah, 4. Okay. Make a breakpoint. All right, here we go. We got 3 units, 4. So that makes sense. Cool. Require player units. 2. Okay, so it's working. It's working. Let me go back in here. Start new mission. Start mission. Let's look back in here and see we got the right 3, 4. We did not have the right information. Did not have the right information at that time. I think it's because even though the unit preparation setup unit preparation's already set up, it's gonna be delayed. So actually, let's try this. guess I need to come back to it later. Because it's not. Because I don't want the delay in here at all. I do want to load it, but I don't want delay in here at all. If I do have to delay all these as well. For at least about 1 second until it gets all the information it needs in here. All right. It has all our information. Cool. 3.8. Cool. From here 3.8. Awesome. I had to delay. I had to do a delay because it didn't have all the information at that time. So okay. Okay, clicking back doesn't do anything. Call on back, and we want to create new game. Let me duplicate this. We're going to remove view map. There we go. Here we go. Get place. Click on back. Back to stuff. Okay, interesting. We create a new menu called Preparation View Map. Did all this. Go through here. It failed? So this exists. Click back. Okay, I think I got the wrong button here. Start, remove, start mission. That's not it either. What's this? This is type. Oh, it's not even creative. What the heck am I doing? There we go. Oh my god. And looking at our mission here, we have all of our things working. Awesome. Real quick. What UI does not look for? Operation does not look for. Visible but not testable. Okay. Self-owned. All right. If I could be, I was hoping for the border to also block as well. Actually, I'll set the overlay to visible. That should at least block. We can go ahead and remove that. Oh, and we're still able to move around. Anyway, I think I got everything I want, everything in here, loaded in here. But it's getting late. I want to get something taken care of, and this is kind of getting late for me right now, so I'm going to stop it here. I I'm happy. I'm actually happy that I'm able to get all the progress I want taken care of. I'm a little sad that I'm not able to own up my old project just to help me help reference on what needs to be done. I was able to get what I have, what I needed, all that kind of stuff ready to go without it. So I'm good, but later on, I want to try to at least get that fixed. For it now, but as of now, this is good. But yeah, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Comment on my comment how I did on stream. If you like it, it'll help out. It'll help out a lot. But here, that. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. My stream is gonna start. Will start on Monday. At 5 p.m. At 6 p.m. And on Tuesday, I might stream. Because I might participate for a game jam. Not certain yet, but I want to try to see if I can get back in the game jam. So yeah, that's kind of about it. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. Later. Bye bye.